Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or iComfort mode. Or actually a reading mode, because this is the name of the Nightlight in this device. So let's begin with the customization of this mode. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display brightness. Then let's go to the reading mode and tap on reading mode, the switcher next to it. So as you can see here, we've got two different modes. The cycle one, which is more or less automatic. It will change the colors based on the up types and sunrise and sunset times. And we've got also the classic option, and after marking it you can immediately see the change in the colors. So the yellowish shield is right now applied, and the whole purpose of that is to filter the blue light. We can tap on this arrow here to customize everything, and as you can see here, we've got the switcher thanks to which we can change the color temperature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. Moreover, under it we've got this texture option, and right now it is completely turned off, but after going to the right we can apply this paper-like texture to the background. So it's totally up to you whether you like this effect or not. Here we can also change the colors. So now we've got full colors, which are obviously affected by the reading mode option. We've got also light colors, so now you can see that they are a little bit dull and washed out. And we've got also black and white, and we can display everything in black and white manner. So it's up to you which option you prefer. I think full colors are alright. And now we can go back, and another thing which we can customize is the schedule, because right here we've got the manual option, so we have to manually turn it on and off. But after turning on the schedule option, we can either choose good night's read, and here this option is automatic, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and we can custom the period, so we can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. So this is the whole customization of this mode, and in order to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and try to find iComfort mode right here, or reading mode. In my case it is right here, but if for some reason you cannot find reading mode, then go to edit, find reading mode right here. So let me just drag it here. Find reading mode in the second section, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position it wherever you want to. Tap on done, and now we can freely simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.